shifting from one time or age into another. Another way to look at this is that we are closing out one time and bleeding and blending into another. So for the last 27 years I have served as a bridge, a medium. Some of you may remember my original story and the origins of my experience. For those that don't, just let me know if you would like me to create a video on this. Just comment below and I will happily craft a video in and around all of what happened to me and my first encounter with spirit when I was a child, when I was 7 years old. It is a beautiful story. So just comment below if you would like me to craft that video.